One of the core elements of Lexus is design. So this not only allows us to showcase Lexus a little bit, but also a wonderful launching pad for young designers in Canada. My name is Jennifer Barron, and I'm director of the Lexus division here in Canada. So I look after all things Lexus, from marketing to the brand to sales, parts and service. Lexus is really proud to support young and upcoming designers here, right here in Canada. We do have contests globally for design, so we're lucky that we're able to bring this to the abilities that we have here right at home.
My name is Carmen Duville. I'm the Director of Partnerships and Network Engagement for Artscape Daniels Launchpad. Something like the Lexus Design Challenge is it's a huge opportunity for designers to flex their skills. This exhibition that they're going to be creating is going to be in front of thousands of people. What is the wow factor? What is the experience that they're looking to create? The advice that I'd give to those presenting their work today is to really, really express where that design came from.
My name is Carolyn Quinn. I'm the Executive Director of Toronto Fashion Week, meeting with designers, talking to them about their businesses since 2005. Fashion and the automotive industry very much intersect. I always say a beautiful car is like a beautiful handbag, and it's about the stitching and the colors and the feel and the fabrics.
My name is Arthur Rona. I'm from Toronto, Canada, and I'm last year's winner of the Lexus Design School Challenge. What was really impressive to me about the competition was how Lexus went really above and beyond for the competitors. Got you involved in creating what you designed. They got you out to the auto show to see it in person, and it's one of the key skills of design. So it's something that they really need to build up as best as they can.
Yes, my name is Marina Dentico and I'm from Montreal. My design is actually a shattered grid, sort of a rectangle that's been cut into many, many pieces, so I named it the shattered grid. Yes, it was really relating my design to the actual Lexus brand itself in terms of how they transform these qualities of function, technology, and performance into passion and imagination.
One of the things I really liked about the presentation was that you brought up this idea of performance to passion and really made that prominent.
I guess it's really about taking things to the next level, so not just doing something to do it, but doing something because you love it. I chose to enter because I love cars. I knew that when I was like 35, I'd want to buy a Lexus.
My name's Natalie Banger. I'm from Kingston, Ontario originally, but right now I'm studying at Concordia in Montreal. What I was focusing on is I've been focusing on the light, and also to capture that on top of the world feeling by placing a skyline that goes below. To me, it's kind of the same mindset that you get when it's first thing in the morning. You're about to go capture the day, so it does place the display on top of the world.
Loved how you explored really the storytelling and really relating that storytelling to the experience that the viewer will have with your concept.
So this experience of this contest has been really, really exciting for me. I never thought that I would be able to work with a client this prestigious on a project this exciting. It's giving me confidence in my own abilities.
My name is Chris, and
I'm Junwon.
And we're both from Carleton University, and we're second year studying industrial design. We came together and we found out that we had the same idea, and we can't collaborate it, might as well just do it together. Our concept involves ribbons spanning across the perimeter of the exhibit. Our stunning visual tessellation creates a stopping power that will attract attendees, guests, and also competitors.
I saw the Lexus's concept car when I went to the Detroit Auto Show first in 2013. And also Lexus is really good at, they go super bold, like they do things that other company doesn't do. Far away you can tell it's a Lexus.
He is so passionate about it and really understands the Lexus brand and what that, I think that's why there's such a connection.
It's very simple, it's very executionable. Like, I question if they'll view that first concept as something that's like pushing the boundaries.
Yeah, I thought the conceptual side of it was good. Obviously the build is going to be kind of tough.
It will be.
That's a positive thing for this one.
Every year when I talk to the students, they all tell me that they checked out the previous year's winners online, and then they challenge themselves to take their designs even further. So I get the lucky responsibility of naming the successful applicant, successful submission, and I am very pleased to award it to Tessellate. So congratulations. Thank you so much. Thank you. I am so thrilled with the amazing design from Junwan and Chris, and I really cannot wait for it to come to life at the Vancouver Auto Show.